Okay, back. This is the Wounded Warrior's boat that was sunk in the hurricane we had. It has now been repaired. New Minn Kota spot lock trolling motor. The Wounded Warrior wrap is back on the boat all the way down, and these two guys at the end look like very powerful military dogs, and they actually are. However, these are my two military dogs, living forever on the boat. New 10-foot power poles, and all of that's well and good, but let me get up here now and show you what Brother Ryan at New Wire Marine sent me, which is totally awesome. New flooring on the deck all the way around so you can fish barefooted. And now, without further ado, check this out. This Ryan and New Wire Marine designed and built. They put the make of the boat, Nautic Star, all new switches, backlit. This is where the GPS fish finder used to sit, but they redid it over to the left for me, so it's right under the steering column, making it much easier to see what I'm going to run into still sunk on the bottom. And then, doesn't that look just like the boat? And there I am, I guess, at the helm, and my buddy's catching a big old redfish, which is over here. He's trying to get away, but I think we're going to get him. Perfect cutout for the Lenco trim tabs, cutout for the steering wheel. We mounted the power pole button, new switch, and looky here, the Wounded Warriors Project logo put into the dash. Guys, I'm telling you, this video does not do this dash justice. It does not. You need to see it in person, and then you'll understand just how beautiful this has made this boat. Brother Ryan, thank you, man. I'm forever indebted. Get on down here and let's make that person with the rod be you and that big fish be yours. Thank you, buddy. Bye.